Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Collins here with another video, and like always, let's go ahead and start with our sounds of our vowels. Alright, so our short vowel sound for A is I as in apple. Our long vowel sound for A is A as in letter's name. Our short vowel sound for E is E as in edge. Our long vowel sound for E is E as in the letter's name. Our short vowel sound for I is E as in itch, and our long vowel sound for I is I as in letter's name. Our short vowel sound for O is A as in octopus. Our long vowel sound for O is O as in the letter's name. And our short vowel sound for U is as in up, and our long vowel sound for U is U as in the letter's name. Alright, so now that we've gone over all the vowels, I want you to listen for the different vowels in these words. I'm going to stretch some for you. First one, G, R, I, N, D. What's the word? Grind. Good. What's the vowel sound you hear in there? I, as in the letter's name. So that means that it's long. Good. Next one. St. What's the word? Rust. Good. What's the vowel sound? Good. Like in up. So that means that it's short. Perfect. Next one. B. R. A. N. What's the word? Good. Rain. Good. What's the vowel sound you hear? A. As in the letter's name. So that means that it's what? Long. Good. Next one. W. E. L. T. What's the word? Welt. Good. And what's the vowel sound you hear in there? E. As in edge. It is short. Perfect. All right. And last word. B. L. O. T. What's the word? Bloat. Good. What's the vowel sound you hear in there? Oh, so that means that it's long or short? Long. Perfect, because it says the letter's name. Good. All right, so let's move on into our next concept. And like I said in the last video, we're going to continue to talk about blends, but we're going to move on to talking about the initial blend. And what is an initial blend? What does initial mean? Initial means beginning. So if it's an initial blend, because we know what a blend is, right? What's a blend? Yeah, that's it. Two consonants right next to each other and you hear each sound. So if it's initial or beginning, that means it's the beginning word blend. Perfect. So let's go over a few of those beginning blends. The first one is ST and it's st. Good. Our next one is t, and it's tr. Oops, one fell. All right, the next one is b, and it's bull. Another one is g, and it's grr. And this one is s, and it's sw. And let's pick this one up that fell. What's this one? Full, and it's full. Good. All right, so these are not all of the initial blends, but just some of them. All right, so now we're going to move on to our words, and we're going to identify those initial blends. All right, so let's go ahead and go over those words. Here's the first one. Let's identify that initial blend. T, w. Good. T, w, I, n. What is it? Twin. Good. Let's do this one. P, O. That's the initial blend. Pull. P, O, g. What's the word? Plug. Plug. Good. Whoops. All right, let's go with this one. Oh, what's this at the end? It's a digraph. What does it say? Shh. So let's do that initial blend again. O, sh. Let's say it. Flesh. Good. What's the word? Flesh. All right, let's do this one. B. Oh, that is that beginning blend or initial blend. Bo. B. Oh. Og. What's this? Blog. A few of you want those when you grow up, don't you? A blog. All right, let's do this one. St. That's the initial blend, the beginning blend. St. And then a. Ooh, what's this? Yes, you got it. It's a final blend. Mp. So, st. Mp. What's the word? Stamp. Stamp. Perfect. All right, we have two more words. What's this one? What do you see in this word? Yep, that's it. A trigraph, and it's j. So, our initial blend is b, r, br, e, j. What's the word? Good. Bridge. Bridge. Last. Oh, we got two more. K, r, ch. That's another trigraph. Ch. And k, r is our what? That's it. Our initial blend. K, r, ch. Crutch. Good. Now this is our last one. So what do you see in here? Another trigraph. Good. And our initial blend is what? S, w, sw, sw, sw. Good. So our initial blend is sw. Our trigraph is ch, s, w, ich. Switch. Perfect. What's the word? Switch. Perfect. If you did as well as I know you did, you can read any word because you're applying everything that you learned up to this point, okay? So in our next video, I'm going to keep it a secret. You'll know what it is, and we're going to just apply what we already know. So until next time, bye.